Okay, folks, welcome back to the Redneck Creation Shop. We're going to finish up this pen that I fabricated the other day. So this is what she looks like. Right here. So first thing we're going to do, this is the top right here. So we're going to take this cap right here, put her in here just like that. We're going to put that right on there. Okay? Just like that. I'm going to adjust this right here. This is high-tech tooling right here. Put that right up against there just like that. Just like that. And folks, it's hard to see. Hard to see. I need one of them fancy GoPros, what I need. We just press it in. Just like that. Top's done. Top's done. Then we got to do the bottom right here. See this bottom piece right here? This is the bottom piece where the ink comes out. So we put this in here just like that, and that goes right in the hole right there. And we just, easy now, baby. Just like that. That's done. See? Bottom half. Isn't that nice? We're going to adjust this. Now, this is the part that you got to make sure you do right. See this right here? Threads on the inside. Sort of see them, sort of, maybe you can't. You got to make sure you put that in the right way, because if you don't, you mess up the ink. You can't put the ink in, because you put the wrong end in. So we're going to adjust this right here. This is a little difficult, but we're not professionals here at the Redneck Creation Shop. We're semi-professional. Just like that. Easy now. She wants to turn on you. So you got to go easy. You got to go. She's being less than cooperative here. How we doing, folks? Right to that mark right there. And hopefully, we didn't put it in too far. So we got to put the ink in right here just like this. See? Tighten the ink up. We screw it all the way up. We got to make sure that we ain't coming out. There we go. And then we put the ring right here. Right over here like this. New pattern. And this piece just slides on. Just like that. And folks, the Redneck Creations have completed the acrylic pen. It's gold with a black stripe. And these pens are refillable. As you saw, you pull it apart, unscrew it, it's cross refill. Put it back in, tighten her up, push it down. She's ready to go. Thanks for watching, folks. Remember, here at the Redneck Creation Shop, we don't edit nothing. Everything is raw video We don't edit nothing. See? She wobbled a little bit, but you saw that. We ain't going to cut that out because this is true craftsmanship here at the Redneck Creation Shop. Thank you very much.